Moving people is what drives us every day. With passion and engagement, we transport 14 million people daily from 19 different countries through efficient and innovative transportation modes. For decades, we provide solutions of all shapes, all around the globe. We are world experts and leaders in heavy modes. With 168 million kilometers operated from Melbourne to Quito, Montreal, Stockholm, Wellington, Munich, and more. Thanks to heavy and light rails, metro and cable, we move together. Involved at the early stage of the development or joining the project further down the line, we cover the life cycle of a metro project hand in hand with strong local partners and their communities to deliver performance with zero compromises for safety, security, and quality. From Paris to Bogotá, the cable car both facilitates travel and opens up isolated areas. From one end of the planet to the other, we continue to move forward. Because a light rail network is at the heart of any city's vital rhythm, we design and deliver a unique and distinctive experience across every stage of its life cycle. From Rabat or Rouen to the world's largest light rail network in Melbourne. For us, heavy modes act as the backbone of a multimodal mobility network connected to the last mile solutions. Built from scratch or operated for decades, we carry millions of passengers over thousands of kilometers each year, drawing on extensive rail expertise across all types of lines. From commuter services such as the iconic Marseille-Nice line, to suburban networks such as the S-Bahn systems in Hanover or Bremen, to small lines such as Nancy-Contrexéville and the Rhein-Ruhr-Bahn. We of course know how to face the winters of the Roslagsbanan lines of Stockholm, and the best stops to join the beach in Marseille and Nice, but also to scale a team from 2 to over 200 employees in months. Behind these large-scale systems, there are people. Heavy modes are first and foremost about technical mastery. It requires deep expertise in maintenance or rolling stock. This is a technical pride built in the fields for Transdev experts at the service of clients and passengers. We are people, transporting people across cities, countries, and years. We are people who serve mobility, and we are experts in heavy modes. We all move together.